Customer states there is smoke coming out of my vents and it smells like oil. Yes, my people, good day working on a 2015 BMW 528i. Yes, you guessed it. It's a 4-banger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Hey, we have a leak in valve cover gasket. And standard procedure these days, because these valve covers are, listen, plastic. This is what metal sounds like. You hear the harmonics? Differences between plastic and metal. So when you have a valve cover gasket leak, you replace the whole valve cover too. And then check this out, this is pretty cool. It arrives with the rubber valve cover gasket already in there, so you don't buy it separate. You know, they throw it in. So all of this is gasket material and everything. So what happens is the valve covers develop cracks in them, and when you replace the gasket and reuse the old valve cover, what tend to happen is you still have a leak. It don't happen all the time, but it happens sometime, and then you end up have to redo it. But what I want to share with you on this one is, you see this component here? What is this? This is the vacuum pump. You see? And it fits in the back of here, like so, like that. See that? And it's bolted to the back of the head, and this portion here sticks inside the valve cover, and this little portion here, the turny part, slots into the back of the camshaft. So the vacuum pump turns as the engine is turning, and the oil from the head keeps it lubricated. Why do you need a vacuum pump? On these boosted engines, you need to have vacuum ready on demand, even under boost, wastegate, or boost control. Some of these are vacuum actuated, and also emission solenoids use vacuum to be actuated. So under boost, you don't have no vacuum. That's one of the reasons they use vacuum pumps on these engines. So this is what it looks like. At this point here, I am just looking over the job that I've done. I am looking to make sure that there is not a leak still present. I'm also touching individually the injector fuel supply lines, making sure that there's no moisture. I'm looking back there where I put the vacuum pump in, make sure that it's not leaking oil onto the transmission, all that type stuff. And here, the most important part. This is the most important part. Remember I told you about the BMW EB course? You think it was a joke? I'm telling you. See? You see some smoke rising there. Nothing to be alarmed about. This is just burn off, residual oil that was still on the manifold burning off, and then also some that may have escaped when I removed the valve cover. I will pressure wash all of that area and take it for a test drive. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless you.